How to make your TikTok creator account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch TikTok application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, tap on settings and privacy over here at the bottom of the screen. And as you do that, tap on the account option over here at the very first option. As you tap on account, it will lead you to a new page where you can see the option of switch to personal account. Now, since this is already my professional or creator account, I can just tap on it, and if I tap on it, it will lead me to a personal account. So here, if you switch your account type, you will lose all business account features and so on has been given as a remark for me. So if you want to switch to creator account, you can just tap on it and you can switch to a creator account over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications, and see you next time.